Good morning. Today is Friday, May 23rd, 2025. I'm here at Brickman Plaza Marina, and this is an after video for the 17-foot long boat. A few things to notice. The paint on the bottom is could definitely use some more paint or some new paint. There's also a screw that is coming out closer to the stern of the boat, right next to the keel. It's going to be on the starboard side of the keel. I will show you that at the last as the last thing. So let's go ahead and check out the cleaning itself, and then I'll show you the hull. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.